So this sales hack changed the game for my clients in a big way. It's called pitch weaving. And you're going to weave your pitch throughout the call, starting at the beginning, instead of saving it for this 10-minute monologue at the end, where you have to remember everything your client talked about so that you can address it when they're not really listening and zoning out because you've been talking for 10 minutes. Instead, when you're asking questions and getting answers, you're going to respond to their question with a formula that sounds like empathy and insight. So let me give you an example of what this sounds like. Let's say you're an ad agency and you're talking to a prospect about how they worked with another ad agency and they never saw any results, although there were all these numbers presented to them all the time. They didn't see any sales. And you say, that is so frustrating because you know you're not crazy and they're showing you these numbers to make themselves look good, but you're not seeing any difference in your bank account, which is the result that you're looking for. So what makes the difference is having agreed upon milestones ahead of time that indicate that you're seeing success the entire time instead of just the numbers that are going to make the agency look good and don't matter to you, the client. Would that make a difference for you? Can you feel how that feels different? It doesn't feel like selling, it feels like a conversation, and it's subtly selling the person the whole time. So follow me if you want to close more sales.